Now since we know about this vulnerability, that was reverse shell connection vulnerability using command injection, let's move to our next vulnerability that is very crucial and it can be left behind due to some vibe coders or some careless web developers as well. So let's go to our Kali Linux and get back to our OWASP-BW website where we have all those vulnerable applications link, and let's go to DVWA, and in that DVWA we have a crucial vulnerability regarding command injection, and those vulnerabilities only occurs when careless web developers don't pay attention to web security or security of a website. So let's wait till it's get loaded, and we will also see how we can eradicate some problems like these. Okay, also make sure that this connection is exited here, because if it's continuously listening to reverse connection it won't work on other websites. So once we exited that, let's go to DVWA, and here the password was admin as you can remember from our previous lectures. So let's just type in and enter. So save to not now, and here as you can see security level is low, and we are going to use this security level from low to medium because the highest safety level isn't vulnerable to command injection. Now let's go to command execution here, and here you can see we have an option to enter our IP address here to ping a website. Now as you remember from our previous lectures, so if we type here ping vulntech.com, and if we wait for a second and let's cancel this, as you can see our machine was interacting with our website, that is vulntech.com, and it sends some ICMP packets. Some packets get transmitted and also received. Now this thing will be as similar as to this website. So if we type vulntech.com here and submit it, let's wait for the results, and as you can see there were 3 ICMP packets got sent to this website. Right, now what this website is doing, let me show you on the terminal here. So it is using this website, but also it is using this count as well. So if we type this, as you can see it sent only 3 ICMP packets as well, and that's what this website is doing. Now what we have to do here is we have to perform a command execution attack. So how we can do it, let's type vulntech.com here this time and use semicolon and type ls, and if we hit enter, let's see what the results we will get. So as you can see it did perform the ICMP packet transmission, that is this, but it also gave us this result, that is help index.php and source. That means it listed all the directories present in the server of this website. What we can do more is let's type again this command and type and here and type ls. So if we hit enter, let's see what the result we will get, and this is the again same result as we have got before. Now let's try this on a terminal as well. So if we type this command and hit semicolon, type ls, so it gave us the same result as we have got on the website. It pinged the website 3 times and it gave us the list of directories. And if we type the command with and what we have used on the website and hit enter, it gives us again the same result. So that's how this command execution works on this website. But what will happen if we will level up the security? So let's go to DVWA security here, select medium, submit here, and now as you can see security level is set to medium. Now let's go again to command execution, and if we type vulntech here and let's go to this command again, and if we submit, we again got the same results. I don't know why. Okay, so it says security level is still to the medium. Let's go to here again, click on the submit, go to command execution, reload once again, reload this. Now since it's on medium security level, let's try that command again, and if we hit enter now and click submit, we got no results. Now let's try another command, that is this one which we have used, and if we submit, again we got no results. And if we just type simply the website name and hit enter, let's see if we can get some results or not. So yeah, the ping command is working, but we cannot work with these commands or these symbols. So let's see the source code. So if we see the source code, let's enlarge this. So even if we don't know PHP, as this website is written in PHP, as you can see PHP ID is disabled, we can still understand what the code means. So as you can see, our target request is IP address, and if we scroll a little bit down, you can see it is substituted this symbol and this symbol. That means we cannot use and semicolon, but let's see what else we can do. So if we type this command again and remove this extra and hit enter, let's see if we can get some result or not. And as you can see, we have got help index.php source. We got the result for ls command here, and also we got the result for ping command as well. That's how we can bypass filter. Now why the result for ls command we got before, not after this, is because when we use the single and symbol, that means we are using two commands simultaneously. That means whatever the command gives us result faster, we will get the result or the output for it first. That's why we got the list of directories here. And if we type vulntech, this command, and who am I, let's see if we can get more result or not. Yes, we got www/data. That means it is telling us who am I, and it gave us results by this method. That's how we bypass filter in command execution.